we're talking about?
Well, that screw right there that keeps coming off, so I don't know if it's stripped. That thing right there.
That's a register, okay.
And then this right here fell off, and then that it's just hanging. I tried to put it back on there when I was trying to do the button.
Goes in here?
Yep, right here.
Okay.
And I didn't want to toy with it, so.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna need a ladder for that, so see what else you got.
And then the mold that's in the bathroom. The black mold. I believe we need a new tub because the turnstile is not turning right.
What's that?
I said, I believe we need a new tub because
A new tub?
Yep. Because this isn't turning right, and then this around here is starting to cake off, and then it's peeling. I would have to cut this off because I honestly don't need it. Yep, it's like peeling all right there. This black mold there, and I'm pretty sure it's like all behind the wall. If you have scissors or a knife, you could just like chop it off. And it's starting to peel over here too. In this left-hand corner. Over there, in the left-hand corner.
Is that your wastebasket?
Yeah, yep.
Now, what are you saying is wrong with this?
This here is starting to peel
Yeah,
off,
you said something about this
and
one.
this doesn't turn right. So I don't know if we could just get a new tub altogether. So you guys don't have bath fitters come out?
Not for this.
Not for that.
Looks like that light's out there too. The overhead?
Yep, this light, that light, but I think you guys charge, so I'll just probably end up getting the circling light from Home Depot myself.
Okay. You want to do those two or what?
I mean, how much do you charge for those?
I don't know what they charge. I have no idea.
Okay.
It probably going to cost you more for us to put them in than it would cost you to go get them from Home Depot, though. I don't think it's going to cost you any more for us to put them in for you than it would be for Home Depot. It's up to you.
Either way, I will have to pay, so it's all right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Either way, I gotta pay.
Yeah. You want me to change them or not?
Probably these two.
Okay.
I can do that one.
Okay.
I'm not sure how much that'll cost. Like, why? Why do they charge anyway?
Why do they charge? I don't know. That's what their policy is. That's what their policy is. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 of these. I'm gonna get some tools, and you don't need. Yeah, this you're not getting a new top out there.
Okay, and then also this this one as well is down. That has to go back up. So they're just like all they just fell down.
How come they're all down?
Good question. So I didn't want to toy with it, so I don't know how you're gonna do what y'all do. Okay, I may need you to get Zion and Noah off the bus. Okay. I think that exfoliating stuff is working. He never fixes anything right. Like, he always makes it worse. I don't care. He knows that. He knows the mess he left. Like, he always makes it worse. So then he was like, well, how come those are down? I don't know. The thing was firing. He went to go get, I guess, a ladder so he can fix that. And the white girl who used to stay next door to us, something happened with her tub. And these bath fitter people, bath fitter individuals, they came out and they gave her a whole new tub. Like, they did what they did and they replaced her tub. All this black mold, what are we doing? All that's peeling. It has to be all in the walls. You can tell. But it's like you're paying your money every single month and you can't fix it. That's why I was like, whatever you do what y'all do. I'm not maintenance at all. No shape or form of it. So he'll be back, I guess. Okay, so hers is fixed. She has a more... Okay, so I just got done cleaning. It was a mess. It smelled so disgusting, but this is like how it looks now. But it was like all like just dried up, little soaked up meat.
And she was like so close behind me with her car. And then I turned around and she's like staring at me. So I moved and she kept coming behind me.
The downstairs neighbor?
Yeah, she like coming behind me like a cop.
She don't want no problems. She don't want no problems. It's so crazy. I'm taking the trash out. All right, y'all. So now laundry's done. I still got like